I'm Jeremy Dover. We're out here at Dover's Garage in Trenton, Tennessee. We specialize in doing Fox bodies. We like to do Coyote swaps, engine bay smoothing, supercharger installs, suspension, brakes, pretty much whatever you need, and we can take care of you. Just give us a call. Now, we use a lot of the power-by-the-hour products. You know, if you want to install your power steering, air conditioning, you know, alternator solution, you know, they have the products also too if you're doing the supercharger installs to make those same accessories work. Fittings for the transmission lines. Just a lot of little extra things that you know you don't really think about that you need to do the swaps. They can take care of you. Great help in the service area there. Give them a call, answer any of your questions, and just take care of you overall.